Quick tip from Ultimate DIY. Do you have a really long span of drywall on your ceiling? If you've got over 30, 40 feet, you're gonna probably wanna put an expansion joint like this in. And all you're gonna do is cut your 1/2 inch groove. Make sure that you have some backing behind it. If you happen to be in between joists, you'll have to run some backing to make sure that you're holding up your sheetrock. And you will cut the expansion joint to the right size. Be sure you use some good spray-on glue or adhesive. And I use a staple gun. I will put it into place after I've applied the adhesive. I will staple it into place, and then I go back and I will add my mud. Hope this helps. We'll see you on the next one.